Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to use PureVPN on iPhone. To get started, there are two ways you can use a VPN on your iPhone. You can set it up manually through your iPhone settings or use an app. Let's go through both methods. First, if you want to set it up manually, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and select General. In the General menu, scroll further down and choose VPN and Device Management. Inside this section, tap VPN, then add VPN configuration. This is where you'll need to enter your VPN details, including server information, account credentials, and security protocols. If you don't have this information or prefer a more straightforward setup, using an app is the easier choice. To use an app, go to the App Store and search for PureVPN. Download and install the app. If you don't already have a subscription, you'll need to sign up for PureVPN. Once installed, open the app. Log in with your PureVPN account credentials, and you'll be guided through the setup process. When you connect for the first time, you'll see a prompt asking you to allow the app to add a VPN configuration to your device. Tap Allow and enter your iPhone's passcode to confirm. After that, the VPN configuration will be added, and you'll be able to connect to a server directly through the app. To connect to a VPN server, open the PureVPN app and select a server from the list. You can choose a location that fits your needs, whether it's for browsing securely, accessing restricted content, or improving your privacy. Once connected, you'll notice a VPN bar show at the top of your screen. This confirms that your VPN is active. If you need to disconnect the VPN, see down to the PureVPN app and tap Disconnect. The VPN icon will disappear from your screen, indicating you're no longer connected. While PureVPN is an excellent choice, there are other reliable VPN options you can consider. NordVPN is a highly reputable service known for its speed and security. ProtonVPN offers a free version with unlimited bandwidth and strong privacy features, making it a great option for those on a budget. Links to PureVPN, NordVPN, and ProtonVPN are in the description, along with discounts to help you get started. That's it. That's how you can solve the problem of using PureVPN on your iPhone. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.